Good evening, everybody. I'm just going to read out some of the house safety rules, which I need to on behalf of Doherty Valley High School. Welcome to Doherty Valley Performing Arts Center, San Ramon. At this time, please take a moment to locate the nearest emergency exit that may be behind you. There are also 2 doors in the middle aisle. Please turn off any cell phones or noise-making devices to prevent interruption of the show for performance and audience members. Flash photography and videoing during the show is totally prohibited. No food, no drinks, by the way, you can bring the water inside, are allowed in the theater except for bottled water, okay? And I just have a humble request. The artists today that you will be seeing on stage soon have worked very, very hard to make this event enjoyable. To help keep them and to keep their focus, could you please put off your cell phones on vibrate, avoid any flash photography, and avoid going in and out of the hall during the songs. If you need to step out, please do so between songs. Other than that, sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. I will hand over to Vikram. He just wants to say a few words of wisdom about his sister.
Hello. As many of you know, my name is Vikram, Amrita's younger brother, and I would like to thank all of you for attending my sister's Arangetram. Today, I would just like to say a few words about Amrita. According to my parents, ever since I learned to talk, I was my sister's personal commentator. I had a radar on what my sister was doing and gave insightful updates on my sister's day-to-day activities. If I was anywhere, 10 out of 10 times, I was probably with or trying to find Amrita. To me, my sister was everything I knew and my first best friend. Some of my earliest memories with my sister are her sitting next to me and singing to me all the songs that she knew. She's been singing from the age of 5 all the way to now, and many more years to come. While some people calm themselves down by playing games or punching a pillow, Amrita uses music to ease her nerves. She loves the ability to express her voice in different ways. I'd like to think I suffer from a disease that makes me unable to carry a tune, but then I heard my father sing, so I guess it's genetic. Her singing brings a sort of pride to our family. It's been years since my sister hasn't been told to sing at an event. In fact, sometimes she has songs ready on her phone ready for what is inevitable. I love my sister for all she does for me. Amrita's a role model, and I strive to be like her. The hard work and focus she puts into anything she takes up, and almost everybody in this auditorium knows how hard it is to work for an Arangetram. And Amrita's done it twice. And even though we may fight or argue, I love her and will remember for everything she has done. Amrita is my math tutor, my English teacher, my social professor, but most importantly, she's my sister, and I feel elated every time she goes on stage. So please join me in congratulating my sister for the over 12-hour days and hard work for the upcoming show. I hope you have better footwear this time, because I know she'll knock them off again. Thank you.
Thank you, Vikram. Okay. So I'm just going to take this opportunity. It is our pleasure and a great honor to welcome all of you to Amrita's Carnatic Vocal Arangetram. This is certainly an occasion we have been looking forward to since Amrita started learning this art form from age 5. As Amrita moves on to her next phase in life, I'm sure she'll cherish these incredible memories. And thank you all for being here and being part of this event. I would be remiss if I didn't mention Amrita's grandfather in this journey. He has been her practice partner, punching bag, and constant encouragement. He has rightfully earned the title of Amrita Sarthi, as he has driven Amrita to every corner in the Bay Area for all her practices and performances, and also helped fine-tune her rendition of songs. So I'm going to take this opportunity now. We are really blessed to have Paramaguru Naiveli Santanagopalan sir as our chief guest today. Thank you for being such a great part. Thank you for being such a great part of Amrita's journey and also helping her with this milestone. I would also like to thank Padma ma'am. As everybody knows, she's Padma Mohan, the founder of CCC. She is a patron and a great supporter of Carnatic music. And like I just mentioned, that she's the founder of CCC. She encourages budding Carnatic artists in the Bay Area. During this occasion, I want to really take this moment to also thank my aunt, Vijay Auntie, as what she goes by, and gracing this occasion and supporting Amrita on her milestone today. To introduce her, she is an accomplished Bharatanatyam dancer and a Carnatic singer and a highly acclaimed film star actress. She goes by Vijay Lakshmi in the film industry. And she has acted in more than 100 films in Tamil, Telugu, Malayalam, and Hindi. And she's a big representation of my dad's other side of the family. So thank you so much, Auntie. Amrita is very, 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 very fortunate to have, for the guidance and the nurturing of the best guru that she can have, Mr. Dr. Shiv Kumar Bhatt, and his wife, Ms. Kasturi Shiv Kumar. Needless to say, this form of music takes a lot of passion and practice. Amrita was indeed very, very fortunate to have a guru with such deep knowledge and unbelievable dedication. I have never seen a more composed, confident, and most caring guru in my life. Amrita and Shivakumar sir have literally spent 12 to 15-hour days the past several weeks perfecting Manodharmam. Shivakumar sir and Kasturi ma'am have been like second parents to Amrita. In fact, she's lived there more than she's lived in our house. I would like to invite Shivakumar sir and Kasturi ma'am, the gurus of I AIM, to the stage to say a few words.
Namaskaram, everybody. Music is absolutely divine. Shishurveti, Pashurveti, Veti Ganarasam Phani. It means that a baby knows, even animals know, and even a serpent knows the joy of music. The music can change the mood of a person. It can change the character of a person. It can even change a bad person into a good person. And needless to say, music can lead us to God or the Supreme Self. And there is a very beautiful connection here. There is Paramatma or the Supreme Self. Then there is the Guru Parampara that shows this Paramatma through music. And then there are artists who will be performing, and there are Rasikas like you who enjoy this music. And we are very happy to have this beautiful bond function today entirely. And I'm very happy to have our Guru, beloved Guru, Shri Naiveli Santanagopalan sir, and with us, who is Amrita's Paramaguru. And we are very happy to have gurus like Hari Devanath, then Devanath Mama, Gopi Anna, and many more like that. I welcome you all. And I'm very happy to have Srimati Padma Mohan and Sri Mohan Vaidyanathan as our guest of honor. Thank you for being here. Finally, without Rasikas, there is no music again. I'm so happy to have you all with us today. And it's a great day for Amrita and her entire family. Amrita has put a lot of effort for this day, and I'm sure you are definitely going to enjoy. A seed was sown a few years ago, and then the plant has come up, and it has been nurtured, and with a lot of love and care, and it is bearing fruits today, and she's going to share all those fruits with you all. I'm sure you are all going to like that. And it's a great day with a lot of joy, pride, and with a little bit of fear also, but it's a positive fear, of course. A little bit of nervousness, but it's positive. It's a thrill. So, but so you all know that if there are anything that's going like she is it's her first major step towards performance, and if you see any glitches, it is just just you have to understand that she's the first major step she's taking today, and she just started sailing in this vast ocean called music. So but I'm sure you all enjoy music, and I congratulate the entire team for today's the upcoming performance, and I welcome you all once again, and my namaskarams to you all. Thank you.
I would also like to thank Guru Shri Hari Devnath of Paduka Academy, also a disciple of Shri Naiveli Santana Gopalan sir, who has been instrumental to Amrita's journey by referring us to Shiv Kumar sir. So thank you so much, sir. Okay, to start on, I'm going to start off with the artists. I would first like to welcome, is it Amrita or sir? Amrita first or Amrita first? Okay. I would first like to welcome Amrita on stage. Moving on, I would like to welcome Hariharan sir. As he goes by M.N. Hariharan, he will be... Oh, Shruti Sarathi, okay. I would like to welcome Shruti Sarathi, who will be playing the violin today. She will be our violinist. Shruti Sarathi is a versatile Carnatic violinist. She is trained in the Lalgudi style of Carnatic music under esteemed Guru Srimati Anuradha Sridhar. Shruti is the recipient of many accolades, including Best Violinist from the Madras Music Academy and a fellowship from Stanford University. Shruti has played for several leading vocalists, including our own Naiveli sir. We are really, really glad you were able to make it here despite your busy travel schedule. Thank you so much, Shruti. To call upon our next budding artist, Ajay Gopi. Ajay Gopi has been learning Mridangam for the past 10 years from his father, Shri Gopi Lakshmi Narayanan, and receives additional training from Shri Kalaidakurichi Shivakumar. He has accompanied various artists such as our Paramaguru Naiveli sir, Sikil Gurucharan, and other renowned artists. Being a vocalist himself, he was able to provide amazing insights during Amrita's rehearsals. We are very, very glad to have you accompany and support Amrita today. Calling upon our next artist is M.N. Hariharan. Hariharan sir is a highly accomplished exponent and teacher of morsing, tabla, and mridangam. Hariharan sir has written books and articles on Corways, which have won him awards and fellowship, and is an inspiration for percussionists. He has come up with an advanced algorithm for Corways, which is really mind-boggling stuff. We are really, really thankful that he is here to accompany and guide Amrita today. Without further ado, we would like to dive directly into the show. Thank you. Sit back and enjoy.